Hello students, in this tutorial we are going to learn PHP form handling. Okay, how to read data from the form and how to display with the help of PHP we are going to learn. As you know, with the help of PHP we can generate dynamic web pages. In this example we are using forms, HTML forms to get the user information, and we will display that information, okay, with the help of PHP, right? In other way we can say that we are creating here dynamic web pages. Okay, the popularity of PHP language is that with the help of PHP you can create dynamic web pages, right? So as you can see here in this document, we are using here super global variables. PHP has 5 different kinds of super global variables. In this example, we are using two, dollar underscore get and dollar underscore post. Okay, right? So we can create and use forms in PHP. To get form data, we need to use PHP super globals, right? The PHP superglobals dollar underscore get and dollar underscore post are used to collect form data. Okay. Once the user fill out the form, any information, name, email, or any kind of information, that information we are collecting with the help of these variables, superglobal variables. Okay. And we are collecting that particular information and we are displaying that information, right? So when the user fills out the form and clicks the submit button, the form data is sent for processing to a PHP file, another file. Okay, that may be named welcome.php, right? So here we are creating two web pages, one for HTML to create a form to get the user information. Once the user clicks on submit button, this form data will be moving to another web page, that is to PHP page to display the result. Okay, one for getting the result, one for displaying the result, right? These are the programs here. I will show this example with the help of practical. We'll do this as a practical, right? So where we write our programs, PHP programs at server location. So by default server location in my Windows computer is at C drive. So now I will move to C drive. In that we have something XAMPP folder here, right? In that XAMPP folder we have hypertext document, htdocs. In that I have created a folder phpt, right? Here I will write those programs. Okay, now I will take one new notepad. In that just I will write that program. For time, to save time, just I will copy and paste this. Okay, control C, control V, copy and paste. Here what we are doing here, using simple HTML here, HTML, HTML tag, body tag, and here I am using form tag. Okay, form action is equal to welcome.php. Where to go? Once I click on submit, this page should go to welcome.php, where the actual process is being happened. Okay, then which method I am using to send the form data? Here I am using post. Here I can use get data. So there is a lot of difference between get and post methods. We will cover in the next video, right? So here I am taking name and email from the user. Okay, here I am creating a text box. Here I am writing here I am creating one attribute name. Then here I'm creating a text box for email, right? Then here I also am creating one attribute for email. Then here I am creating a submit button. Input type is equal to submit. Then I'm closing the form. Here I'm closing the body. Here I'm closing the HTML tag. So if you want to add some color here, body BG color, you can do that. Body BG color is equal to light green here. Okay, so this is simple HTML page, right? So I can save this program with .html. Why? Because it is simple HTML page. So I will write this name as simple.html. Okay, then I will save this as all files, right? Okay, I will minimize this. Again, I need to create one more page. What was the name? Welcome.php. This is the code for welcome.php. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to the location, server location. Again, I will take one new notepad here. In that, I will just copy and paste this entire code. Right. Okay. See here also I am using HTML, right? Uh, Please observe here, we are using some PHP code also. So this program should be saved with .php extension only, right? So here I'm writing HTML body tags. Here I'm closing that tags respectively, right? In between, just here we are welcoming that information. So whatever the name user will input, that information we are accessing with the help of super global variables. See here, this is the super global variable dollar underscore post. So here also I'm using dollar underscore post. Why? Because this form is being submitted with method post. See, if I am writing here get, then I should use here uh, super global variable dollar underscore get. Okay. So here I am using some simple PHP less than question mark PHP echo dollar underscore post of name. I'm taking that attribute value name. Whatever the user information, whatever the user will input, that will be uh, taken here. In this, that will be stored in this variable, and we are displaying that variable with the help of echo. Right. Similarly, whatever the user will type the email, that email will be printed. Okay. So I will save this program with welcome.html. This is must. I should save this program with welcome.html only. Why? Because in HTML page we are redirecting this page to some welcome.php, right? That is the reason we cannot rename that uh, page. So welcome.php. Okay, I will save this. Right, we are good to go now. Again, I will first I will start the XAMPP server here. It is compulsory. Why? Because our PHP code will be run at server side only. Just I will start this. So now Apache server is running successfully here. I will check that by going to browser. I will type here localhost. If I see the welcome page, that means my web server is running. So this is my web welcome page. So now here I will type the directory name here, php t, right? So I will just type the name of the program HTML form, that is simple.html. Okay, simple.html. So it is asking for name and email. So whatever the information I'm giving here, it should be displayed. Ben. Okay. Then name Ben and bits at gmail.com. Okay. Then I will click on submit button. See here, welcome Ben. Your email address is so and so. So this is how we handle form data with the help of PHP, right? Okay. Thank you for watching.